Welcome to Lakes Entrance, a scenic 317 kilometre, 3.5-hour drive east of Melbourne, nestled on the Gippsland Lakes edge. This is the North Arm boat ramp on Marine Parade, a sturdy 4-lane ramp with jetties on each side, upgraded with floating and fixed pontoons, plus easy turnaround and modern amenities. Located at 20 Marine Parade, the ramp offers ample parking, fish cleaning facilities, toilets, nearby fuel, bait shops, eateries, and a picturesque park with picnic options. Anglers often reel in bream, flathead, tailor, and garfish. This ramp opens access to both the tranquil North Arm estuary and the wider Gippsland Lakes for anglers of all levels. Lakes Entrance itself is a vibrant coastal hub, a fishing and tourism gem backed by shops, cafes, floating restaurants, wild kangaroos, pelicans, and even dolphins in season.